Mansory, the German tuning studio renowned for its bold transformations, has unveiled its take on Rolls-Royce's inaugural electric vehicle, the Specter Coupe. A meticulously crafted carbon fiber body kit has significantly altered the original, understated British design. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tackling electric cars presents a unique challenge for tuners, especially those accustomed to both visual and engineering enhancements. The realm of electric vehicle modification remains largely uncharted, with uncertainties regarding the optimal methods for enhancing their technical prowess. While some attempts have been made, notably by esteemed studios like Brabus and Mansory, to tweak elements such as aerodynamics for increased efficiency, comprehensive overhauls are still rare. Originally unveiled in October 2022, the Rolls-Royce Specter boasts a sleek, minimalist exterior design characterized by smooth, almost ornamental contours. However, feedback regarding the avant-garde dual-tier headlights prompted Mansory to intervene. By adopting a sleek black finish akin to their model, the lower eye sockets blend seamlessly, subtly reshaping the front fascia. Mansory's modifications extend beyond the exterior, with an intricately embossed forged carbon fiber front bumper, a rear diffuser, widened sills, and forks air ducts adorning the sidewalls. Contrasting orange accents and Mansory insignias punctuate the exterior, harmonizing with the redesigned LED backlit grille. Customization options abound, allowing clients to tailor the color scheme to their preferences. Complementing the aesthetic enhancements are Mansory's signature 23 or 24-inch FD15 forged wheels, featuring imposing polished black hubs. Inside, the cabin undergoes a lavish transformation, swathed in vibrant orange leather and adorned with bespoke carbon fiber accents, extending even to the pedals. Plush leather and fur carpets grace the floor, while an abundance of factory-installed LEDs illuminates the opulent interior. Powering the Rolls-Royce Specter are two electric motors, delivering a combined output of 585 EP and 900 Nm of torque, one for each axle. Despite its nearly 3-ton weight, the electric coupe accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in a brisk 4.5 seconds, with a top speed electronically capped at 250 km/h. Equipped with a 102 kWh battery, the Specter boasts a maximum range of 520 km in the WLTP cycle. While the exact price of the Mansory-tailored Rolls-Royce Specter remains undisclosed, it's evident that the final cost will be influenced significantly by the client's personalized specifications during the ordering process, likely surpassing the €500,000 mark. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.